Hey everyone, today we are gonna start the new chapter of environmental chemistry for class 9th fbise. Environmental chemistry of air. What is air pollution? Air pollution is the presence of harmful or excessive substances in the atmosphere. It results from the natural processes like the volcanic eruptions and the human activities like the burning of fossil fuels, industrial emissions, and deforestation. What are the major air pollutants? Carbon monoxide. It is produced by the incomplete combustion of fuels. It is harmful because it binds with hemoglobin, which is a type of protein. Carbon dioxide CO2. It is a greenhouse gas which is responsible for global warming. Then we have sulfur dioxide. It is from the burning of coal and oil which causes acid rain. Then we have nitrogen oxides which are NO and NO2 respectively. They arise from the vehicles and industries. They can cause smog and acid rain. Particulate matter. Particulate matter is the tiny solid particles that harm our respiratory system, and chlorofluorocarbons or CFCs in short are used in refrigeration and they cause the ozone depletion. What are the effects of air pollution? Respiratory and cardiovascular diseases in humans. They cause damage to crops and forests. Acid rain leads to the damage of soil, the damage of buildings, and aquatic life. The ozone layer depletes, increasing the UV radiation exposure, and global warming and climate change. Now, what is the control of air pollution? It is in the use of catalytic converters in vehicles, shifting to renewable energy resources, planting more trees, using scrubbers and filters in the industries. And if we reduce the use of chlorofluorocarbons and promote eco-friendly products, then we can surely control air pollution. Now let's move on to the MCQs. The first MCQ states that the gas mainly responsible for acid rain is carbon dioxide, sulfur oxide, oxygen's diatomic molecule, or methane. So the correct option will be sulfur oxide. Then the second MCQ states that the ozone depletion is mainly caused by CO2, CFCs, nitrogen oxide, or sulfur oxide. So the correct answer will be chlorofluorocarbons, which is part B. Now let's move on to the third MCQ, which is the last MCQ. The greenhouse effect is mainly due to what? Oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, or sulfur dioxide. As we learned that in the air there is oxygen and nitrogen along with other types of gases. So oxygen and nitrogen do not cause the greenhouse effect. So the main gas that causes the greenhouse effect is carbon dioxide.